Hi everyone! We're super excited to introduce two new beautiful additions to the Xperia family. This is Xperia XZ2 and Xperia XZ2 Compact. Now they were recently announced at MWC and today we'll be taking a closer look at their impressive features. So these devices have been built and designed with the user in mind, with lots of exciting new features and technology for extreme entertainment. So let's start with the design of Xperia XZ2. As you can see, it fits perfectly in my hand. This is thanks to the designers forming the glass into a 3D frame, which gives it this luxurious look and feel. It's curved and it's beautiful. Xperia has once again brought back Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on the front and back of this device and secured it in a metal frame, making it really durable. Now onto Xperia XZ2 Compact. It features the same design language, just in a compact form, so you can have an equally big experience in a small size. This is actually the world's most compact 5-inch smartphone and comes in a lovely frosted finish. Both come in beautiful colours inspired by the flow of natural light, so you're sure to find a colour to match your own style. You can also see the newly positioned fingerprint sensor is on the back for easy unlock. This Xperia range is all about allowing you to experience entertainment to the extreme. Well, what does that mean, I hear you ask? If you're looking for a really immersive experience, then you have to check out Xperia XZ2. Unique to Xperia XZ2, Sony has introduced an exciting new feature called Dynamic Vibration System. This is a great new piece of technology by Sony, which analyzes audio data with a unique algorithm, letting you feel the action in your hands, literally. So when you're watching an intense movie, for example, Xperia XZ2 vibrates along with the impact of the sound. It's easily controllable, just like the volume. And if you really think it's not your thing, you can switch it off completely. Although haptics is a unique experience to Xperia XZ2, you can still get excellent display quality in both the devices. So whether you're streaming or watching a file saved on your device, virtually all video content can be upconverted from SDR to HDR quality. Not only that, but both devices are equipped with S-Force front surround sound, making them our loudest Xperia speakers ever. With Xperia XZ2 and Xperia XZ2 Compact, movies, gaming, and music are totally brought to life. Let's now move on to the camera features. Xperia XZ2 and Xperia XZ2 Compact have a 19 megapixel rear camera and a 5 megapixel wide-angle front camera, both equipped with motion eye technology. What that means is, of course, super slow motion is back, allowing you to record 960 frames per second. Now with the ability to record super slow motion in full HD, you can really relive the action in better quality playback. Sony is never one to disappoint. To top it all off, they've improved capturing capability with 4K HDR movie recording, previously only ever possible with a professional camera. High-res audio is yours to enjoy with both Xperia XZ2 and Xperia XZ2 Compact. Thanks to LDAC technology, you can experience near high-res audio quality via Bluetooth, so you can go wireless without having to compromise on quality of sound. Both Xperia XZ2 and Xperia XZ2 Compact have Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, making these our fastest Xperia devices ever. In fact, it's up to 30% faster in performance compared to the previous generation. They also have a great battery with technologies like Kenovo adaptive charging and battery care that keep it healthier for longer. It's nice to know that all of Sony's innovation is packed into such a luxurious looking smartphone. If you want to find out more about Xperia XZ2 and Xperia XZ2 Compact, go to sonymobile.com.